David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. This 1992 W140 500 SC Mercedes saloon is in absolutely stunning condition throughout. Perfect panel gaps, magnificent paint, 8-hole alloys and a recent NCT for 2 years. A fabulous car. Has a tilt and slide electric sunroof and the parking sticks at the back. Inside you can see she's been really well cared for. Spare wheel and tools, and into the back. Fabulous leather interior. Centre armrest. She's so clean throughout. Electric blind on the back window. First aid kit. And really nice headlining. The door cards, look at this for quality. Electric seat in the front. Lovely set of fir walnut trims. Seats are in great condition. Front centre armrest. Factory mats fitted. Electric windows. Modern Becker stereo with sat-nav. Only 77,000 miles. Driver's electric memory seat. And she's got airbags. Leather steering wheel. And here's the engine. Lovely V8. Lining in place. And look, this is something special. The original box containing the 2 remote keys and the 3 steel keys. Comes with complete book pack and service history. Let's go for a little spin. Pulls off the line like a train. Stonking big V8 in this car. 5 litre, and she really shifts. Handles really well. For a 30-year-old car, it's in incredible condition and drives extremely well. No rattles or squeaks. Lovely 4-speed gearbox. Silky smooth changes. Kickdown works. Double glazing keeps all the road noise to a minimum and the wind noise. She stops on a 6-months in a straight line. This is really one fabulous car. This was without a doubt the last real Mercedes. The build quality is second to none. Fabulous interior. There's this lovely suede headlining. The seat leather's proper leather in this, unlike a modern Mercedes. Made to last. Beautifully finished car. Everything's working. Has a lovely modern retro Becker stereo with sat-nav built in. Looks like old school. All the woods are in excellent condition. Slightest nudge on the throttle urges her forward. I've done nearly 200 miles in this car. In fact, I can't stop driving it. I love it so much. When you throw in the low running costs with the classic insurance, the €56 road tax, this is surely one of the best classics you can get on the market today at a reasonable price. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.